From Esmeraldas, from the factory of COFINA SAR, comes the cocoa of Chontaduro. The person in charge of the delivery is Vicente Grueso, in who has the responsibility of delivering and being paid. The truck is unloaded and all the sacks are weighed and passed through quality control. This way the correct and just payment is calculated for the specific merchandise. There is no margin for error. Therefore, the farmers get the exact payment in dollars for the specific weight. In this documentary, COFINA SA presents as example 2 affiliations for which it supports excellent relations. Similar work exists at the moment in the provinces of Los Rios, Guayas, Manabí and El Oro. These are the faithful reflections of the presence of COFINA SAR in these communities, continuing images and testimonies that demonstrates the thinking and the feelings the farmers have in relation to the work that COFINA SAR develops. It is important to mention a big network of estates, small and medium farmers and intermediates, all with social conscience and a clear political of quality. COFINA SAR, responsible for the product that it exports, it stores and gathers. Cocoa that it receives from the whole of Ecuador, classifies it and does quality tests with its personnel, gathering samples of every lot and taking it to the laboratory for the quality control. The quality control of all those diverse physical parameters and flavour that are part of the intrinsic nature of the cocoa, and a tasters panel defines the profiles of flavours that appear in each of the cocoa producing zones of Ecuador. This way they are arranged by the profile demanded by each of the final clients, whether it's for the conventional cocoa or with certifications. On having analysed the quality of the cocoa of each of its suppliers, it is guaranteed that the profiles of flavours and the quality norms demanded by the clients are always supported. For this is a system of quality management that has been implemented in the whole process of the production of cocoa in grain and half-finished seeds, with an excellent tracking system allowing them to guarantee or plan for every product that they commercialise. With modern machinery and first-class technology, and with the capacity and experience gained with the exportation of cocoa in grain, COFINA SAR enters directly into the business of production of half-finished cocoa, with a completely new plant adapted with the latest technologies created for this end. COFINA SAR at present prepares using cocoa for the following products: liquor, butter and cocoa powder, all made under the most strict norms of hygiene and high standards of quality, guaranteeing to their clients products matched to their high standards of control. All these half-finished products, as well as the cocoa in grain destined for exportation, go through filters of control of weight and packing, and once ready to be transported to the port, they go through a rigorous check of all the merchandise before the final shipment. COFINA SAR contracts specialised services that include a review of the containers, examination of the load with anti-drug control and any other type of dangerous substance check from its facilities to the port of Zarpi. To finalise, the Ecuadorian company COFINA SAR has an excellent managerial leadership, being supported at present as an example of steadfastness and professionalism in the commercialisation from the antiquity of the Pepa de Oro up to the actuality with the fine cocoa and the aroma of Arriba, being that these are the only national cocoa exporters for the world that supports the characteristics of flavour and aroma for the most demanding palates on the global scale. COFINA SAR, cocoa beans and cocoa product exporter.